How to fix and solve login problem online application. If you're having login problems online app, you may follow up this step. You can start by ensuring that your app is updated. Head over to Play Store app for that. Go to the search and then you can search for line and then find it up. And once you find it up, if there is any kind of update available, just go ahead and update and make sure you're running the latest version of the line app on your device. Apart from that, what you can do is verify that you have a stable internet connection. So you can switch over to your network by heading over to your settings, open up your settings, go over to connections, and then look out for the Wi-Fi or mobile data you're using. And if you're having internet connection, you can try switching up to a better internet connection to not have those login issues. Apart from that, you can restart device. Long press on the power button for that and look out for restart option and then restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Apart from that, you can clear the app's cache. So long press on the app, go to the info section, and from there you may scroll through the given options, look out for storage, open it up, and from there go ahead and clear cache. Clearing the app's cache can remove the corrupted data, and that's it. So you can follow up this method. Apart from that, you can open up the lineup for uh, open it up and look out for the login page. And in the login page, basically look out to the login section. And if you've forgotten your password, you can use the password reset option and reset it up. And that's it. So you may just head over and follow up the steps and see if that fixes or solves the issue with the login problems online app. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.